there's different types of thinking. So some people have stronger pattern thinking. And for an example, like tetris is something that's used to help people with PTSD, because maybe the trauma was an excess of chaos. So building the pattern muscle, the pattern thinking muscle, helps them feel a sense of agency or control. And there's some people that are born with more pattern thinking. And then I would also talk that there's spatial thinking. So spatial thinking would be somebody that's able to feel space or mental space more. And I think, was it David or someone talked about people with good memory are navigating. They put different things in different spaces, and that expands your memory capacity. So there's grid cells in the brain, and there's also hippocampal volume that taxi drivers in like London have more hippocampal mass because they have to use more of their grid cells. And I'll try to link that to the psychedelic and shamanic experience, because when we're initiated into Western culture's academia, we're using our pattern thinking to recognize language patterns. Even now, I'm trying to structure my sentence. I'm forced to make it a linear arc so it gets digested easier, but my brain would naturally just throw multiple things. But that's not how we communicate. So, and we've seen Peterson, post-benzo, he's still trying to get his rhythm, his way of patterning his language, and what's acceptable and what isn't acceptable. That's a muscle that he's sort of atrophied, or he's trying to integrate his post-benzo experience. So we're putting a bunch of memory resources on linguistic patterns, because that's our social survival. But then all the symbolic, pre-symbolic, mythological type patterns we ignore, because there's only so much bandwidth. So just language itself and our norm of interaction does not accept ecstatic, spontaneous, dreamlike, psychedelic type experience. We have no muscle for that. Ecstatic experience, we have no muscle for that.